sitting because I don't know she's inside here. Hello. Okay. She's super comfy. So she offered me her paw, and I'm taking full advantage of admiring her little relaxed paw. And back into the cover she goes.